I first read this book about 16 years ago. It had a profound impact on my life. The title is delicious. As the World Burns, 50 Simple Things You Can Do to Stay in Denial. This book was my first exposure to the author, Derrick Jensen. As I started reading the book, I repeatedly thought, finally, somebody who understands me and all the thoughts I've been having for all these years. As one girl does things that she thinks is helping the environment, the other girl mercilessly points out how these actions are either doing far too little or possibly just making things worse. The first girl's so-called environmentalism is a candied illusion. Jensen points out Al Gore's famous movie, pointing to just one big issue. But in the same movie, the things to do are profoundly weak. Jensen points out that if everybody in the United States did everything suggested in the movie, it would reduce our collective carbon footprint by 22%. But since our carbon footprint grows by 2% each year, we would find ourselves still sacrificing, but the problem is still growing. To me, this book screams out that we need better recipes for solving global problems ourselves. Despite the actions of naughty corporations, naughty politicians, or naughty billionaires, inspired by this book, I expanded my own research in coming up with better recipes. To contemplate better, we need a metric to measure success. The average American adult produces 30 tons per year. By Jensen's math, this means that all of Al Gore's solutions added up to 6.6 tons. Days after reading this book, I was exposed to rocket mass heaters. I was heating my home with wood at the time and got first-hand experience to getting far more heat with far less wood. Years later, I learned that people in cold climates produce as much as 29 tons of carbon dioxide per year just for heat. And nearly all of that can be erased with a rocket mass heater. Food is 10.5 tons per year, and a simple garden can easily cut that in half. While most of Gore's solutions focused on sacrifice, I made a list of only solutions that had zero sacrifice, only those things that add luxury to your life while making a dent in global problems. A bunch of us took all of this, polished it up, and put it into a book. Thanks for the inspiration, Derrick.